Hello everyone, this is KDT, and in this audio version we're going to be saying about the blog, VPN, everything we need to know. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be discussing about a very essential topic for everyone in this technological world. It is necessary that we use it for our security purposes, and it plays a major role at the security criteria, that is VPN. And there is the table of contents: what is the VPN, how to choose a reliable VPN, and the security aspects and best VPN recommendations. If you want to skip through this video, or if you want to skip through the content given in our blog, and you want to go to a specific location or hyperlink, you can use this and you can go. So next, what is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It enables the feature for us to connect to a virtual tunnel server, which is available in foreign countries through the public or private network. So VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. And when we connect to a VPN automatically, when you are in India, if you connect to a VPN server which is located in America, if you want to check, if you go to the IP address checker.com, and if you want to check it, it will say that you are in America. So that is the location detection according to the VPN. So the connection between the VPN should be encrypted, as well as it is very secure. And if you are using any public or private network, this is very essential. So we will be seeing more of the security concepts on the security aspect setting. If you want to skip to it, feel free. So next, how to choose a reliable VPN. So most of us have a doubt in this, like which VPN is best for us, which VPN is best for me. So that is according to your needs. Some people might consider security as a primary factor and they strive for it. And some people want to go to the blocked sites, like want to download movies and the games like that. And some people also use VPN to watch the streaming services like Netflix and Amazon Prime. So you need to choose the VPN which is correct or according to your perspective. So there are many different considerations according to the people in choosing a VPN. Some people need privacy more than anything, like I said. And using some VPNs will also be blocked by streaming services. So you want to consider that point if you are a person who uses VPN for going to see the streaming services like Netflix and Amazon Prime. So check out that. So these are the very important considerations before you get a VPN. Server speed. So when we connect to a VPN on normally like free VPNs available in the Play Store or App Store, it will be very damn slow. So that's damn irritating, So next, privacy protection. The privacy protection is a very important factor according to security, because the main source of the VPN which is created is for privacy protection. Good quality encryption. So this also comes under privacy security heading, and good quality encryption is not implemented in all of the VPNs. Some VPNs like free VPN we use, that's not that much military graded encryption. Some encryption might be vulnerable to attacks. And cross-platform, VPNs like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, so etc. So some VPNs will be available in Android, iOS, desktop devices, and tablet and TVs. So much more. So some VPNs will be available only on the App Store, Play Store, only on the mobile devices. So that's a very negative point according to consideration. So next, security aspects of VPN. So I'm going to be discussing about why we should have a VPN in terms of security. There's a major issue in public Wi-Fi systems, as anyone can connect on it without any passcode. So that's one of the major problems that is coming up. And in a public network, if you connect to a public network, like for example, if you connect to a public network of an airport, anyone can connect to it automatically. And if he wanna see what you're searching or what you're surfing or browsing on the internet, like you're searching for top 10 smartphones in 2020, and he will know that. So that's an attack called man-in-the-middle attack, MITM. So these are the attacks which I listed: man-in-the-middle attack, phishing attack, and brute force attack. He can also capture your password, credentials, and banking credentials through the brute force attack, and many more. So if you wanna learn more briefly or detailedly about it, I have given the links to the Wikipedia page, and you can check that out. So next, coming to the attacks. So through these attacks, a hacker can also get hold of your banking information, as I said. And if you do payment through public Wi-Fi network, compulsorily you should have a VPN or connect to a VPN. So that is the very important option, because when you are in a public network and doing transactions, someone can get hold of your credit card. There's a potential possibility that someone can get hold of your credit card's number, the CVV, everything, because of this man-in-the-middle attack. So check out the link to the Wikipedia page, And next topic is best VPN recommendations. So in this section, I'm going to be discussing the best VPN recommendations which you use according to your needs. Like I've used it and experienced it for something like 2 years ago. So yeah, if you wanna like premium service, high speed internet, the same speed as you connect to your Wi-Fi or your data connection, you need to pay premium for that. You need to be a premium customer so that you can get a high speed connection in the VPN. So but there's another way that instead of paying, you can also install modded apps from AC Market and Happy Mode. Now I have given another article on my blog stating that modded software premium for free. So check that out if you want to install mod apps like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, where you can connect automatically free to the premium server without any payment. So here are my recommendations. NordVPN is the number one VPN and it has military grade encryption too. And ExpressVPN, all of us know about that, and it's a very, very good company. And ProtonVPN, which is established, as you know, it's established recently, and it also has a mail server called Proton Mail. I have a post according to that Proton Mail. If you want to check that out, please be free. And next, Hotspot Shield. Hotspot Shield, it's a famous VPN, mobile devices. So many of the members use Hotspot Shield. It also has a free VPN, and Proton VPN also has a free VPN. If you want, you can consider it. And Pure VPN. So last Pure VPN is somewhat costly, So compared to these four, it is cost-wise, it's very, very, very like epidemic. So I have listed out in the last. So if you want to download or go to the websites of this VPN, I've given the links to all. So check that out. And please subscribe to the push notifications of our blog, as the email subscription is no longer available. And please feel free to post your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you.